When you start to incorporate and utilize technologies in therapy services, sometimes there's a little bit of a lag in how easy it is to be used by our residents. But for this particular system with Restore, it seems to really be pretty user-friendly, and patients seem to pick up on it relatively quickly. One thing that's really nice about the Restore system is that it really enhances the overall outcomes for our residents.
I do see our family members reaching their goals while they're in therapy. This new game that we use is called Restore Skills, and I'm able to interact with Terry on his gaming skills. I can be at home and play with him while he's at his favorite place in the nursing facility.
The three biggest benefits that I've seen with this product in itself really lies in those accelerated outcomes. The second goal, again, goes back to the overall ability to bridge that gap of connectivity to their patients' families. Third component, the ability for us to incorporate technology in their rehab and allowing them to be comfortable in that environment.
Even though he doesn't realize he's working on physical skills, he is learning how to move his arms, gaining therapy and strengthening in his arms and body parts while he's playing games with me online.
It was nice to see fresh things with us. And a lot of the people seem to like it a lot better too.
Well, you know, you always like playing with family. It just makes you get along better, or has you get along better.
User-friendly platform that Restore has really helped all the residents here at Versailles Rehab and Healthcare Center incorporate that into their daily activities and daily regimen in order to get to those functions and outcomes that we're looking for.